Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're just going to be doing a fun kind of rainbow lip tutorial with a little bit of gloss that I throw at the end. I'm using the Juvia's Place, the Warrior 3 eyeshadow palette. It is a beautiful rainbowy palette. Funny enough, I never really used it much before. I was looking for some inspiration. I was going through Instagram one day, and I saw something by the name of Juvia, I think is how you say their name. I'll go ahead and link their Instagram below. What they went ahead and did is used the palette as kind of like a rainbow eyeshadow kind of situation. And it really inspired me, and I was like, oh cool, this could definitely be a super rainbow palette. Looking at it now, I'm like, duh, it's rainbow. But I didn't see that before. So go ahead and stay tuned to see this cool video of how I made this really fun lip kind of thing. Okay, so first to create the base, I went ahead and took the pure white eyeliner pencil from NYX, just lined my lips, and then I also took the Jumbo pencil in the shade Milk and just filled in my lips. I'm going to go ahead and take this Morphe brush, it's the M152, just to kind of pat everything out and make sure we have a nice even kind of base canvas. You can just use the eyeliner pencil. I went ahead and also used this Jumbo pencil because I feel like it is a bit more creamier, almost stickier, to help the pigment set in better. So we're going to go ahead and grab our palette. I'm going to start off first with the yellow shade. The brush I'm going to be using for all of them, I'm just going to be cleaning it off in between. This is the Morphe M124. Okay, so grabbing the yellow, and you're literally just going to start stamping it on. It's really simple. One thing I also really like about this brush, because it's a little more stiff, kind of, I'm able to use it to kind of shape the lip, if that makes sense, just to make sure that I'm getting kind of an ideal lip shape that I want. Next, I'm going to go in with this slightly more red in shade. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the center. This is how I'm kind of making it more even. I just basically dividing my lips in half and apply the color. I feel like tapping motions really helps with this, just you're really pressing that pigment into the white base. Then we'll go ahead and pick up that more orangey shade and just put them in between the two to start blending them together. I love this orange, it is so pretty. Going back with a little bit more yellow. So more than anything, how you're going to really get that good blend, zoom in just a little bit, is by going between all the three different shades. By tapping into one and then tapping into the other, that's how we're going to go ahead and blend these shades together. Next, I'm going to dip in with the purple in the center. This purple is amazing. It's a really good purple. Next, we will go ahead and dip into the baby blue color. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and dip into the green. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, do all the same steps on the bottom lip, and then we'll be right back. So I went ahead and did all the rest of the colors, which, as you can see, it's starting to come together. What is really going to help this, you can see here, let me zoom in a little bit. You see this side just looks kind of not cute, and this side looks a lot better. All I'm doing is taking a concealer brush. I'm just using my foundation and just going along the edge, just very carefully, because obviously it's going to take practice to get good and not mess up, and just clean up the lines. My biggest piece of advice with something like this is really just taking your time to make sure that it actually looks clean. I feel like that's probably a really big advice with just makeup in general, is it's not going to look super great. Sometimes it's going to look messy, but it's about the cleanup, at least how I do my makeup. I'm going to go ahead and do my top lip real quick, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this fun lip look. I did have a feeling that some of you wanted to see it with a gloss. As you may know if you watched my lip video or whatever, I'm not a big fan of gloss. I don't really like gloss. The only gloss that I have that I would say is even remotely slightly share it's not is the one from JSC. And probably as you know, I don't really support JSC anymore. But it is something I have, and I'm going to go ahead and use it. This is the shade Succulent. It was from like a Valentine mystery box last year. So, I can't decide. It's kind of like a duochrome. I'm really nervous. I guess the video is filmed, so who really cares? But, so we're just going to see if this looks okay or not. I'm so nervous. I'm going to start with the center. I'm going to take some on the back of my hand, just because I don't really want to disturb this too much. I'm just gonna take with my finger and just kind of tap it in. I don't hate it. I do feel like it pulls a little bit away from it, but I mean, I don't know. It doesn't look bad. Looks pretty good. So just as any normal lip gloss, this look will probably not last throughout the day. It might though. It's a pretty sticky lip gloss, so who knows? I guess we'll see because I'm filming another video after this one. Okay, everyone, so we have reached the end of this fun rainbow kind of video. I really do hope that you guys all enjoy. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe if you really liked it or whatever. Okay, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!